Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Puerto Colón. We're just down the road from San Eugenio, just the shopping centre. You probably know it up there as well with the Mercadona in it. Literally a minute's walk up there. We're in a complex called Club Atlantis, and Club Atlantis is really close to Puerto Colón. Probably from here, from this apartment, it's probably a 1 minute walk to the beach. We've got a great swimming pool area as well here, and as I say, we're just minutes away from the bars and the shopping centre up there of San Eugenio. Today we're going to be looking at a studio apartment that's got a very, very sought after item. It's a parking space here as well, so let's have a look around. Right, so as we come into the apartment, straight away on the right hand side we've got the bathroom. So it's got a hand basin, toilet, and your washing machine's here as well with a walk-in shower. That tray is a little bit larger than the standard tray there, so that's really good. Back out into the hallway, and then you get hit with this fantastic view, and at night that must be awesome. Just on the right hand side we've got the kitchen. So it's fully fitted there. You've got the washing machine in the bathroom as well. We've got a microwave. We've got a hob just here. So that's fully fitted. And we've got cupboards under here as well. So really, if you're coming here to use it as a holiday home, it's got everything. And if you want to actually rent it out, then it's still got everything. On the left-hand side, this is still original, but still really, really well looked after. And it's a nice breakfast area. But if we're talking about a view like that, I think most breakfasts are going to be out there. And on the right hand side, I say it's a studio apartment, but it's really well set out. You've got the beds here, and they've had this curtain rail fitted as well, so it gives a bit of extra privacy for the people sleeping there, because although this is not a sofa bed, it's plenty big enough if someone was just to come and stay temporarily to sleep on that. There's a ceiling fan in both of these sections as well. And we've got a cupboard here which would be used for the maybe for the storage of the private, if you're a private owner and wanted to rent it. But I do know there's a safe in there as well, so you might want to keep that open. And we've got this television stand and television here as well. There is internet in the property, and that's run by that box there. Now, the absolute fantastic thing is coming out onto this balcony here. We are on the 6th floor. I don't like anything higher than floor 9, as a lot of you might know, but that is some view. And in fact, I'm getting used to it, having come out here a couple of times this morning. You could easily have 4 chairs there around that table, and as I say, I think most of your meals are going to be out here anyway. So that's our fantastic studio apartment in Club Atlantis, just down the road from the San Eugenio shopping centre, and literally probably a minute 30 seconds walk to those lovely beaches you can see behind me. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.